India, a land of vibrant cultures, ancient traditions, and breathtaking landscapes. From the towering Himalayas to the sun-drenched beaches of the south, this subcontinent is a tapestry of diverse ecosystems. Join us now as we uncover the 25 greatest natural wonders of India. Prepare to be captivated by the raw beauty and unparalleled splendor of India's natural wonders. Let our journey begin. Our journey begins in the northern reaches of India, where the mighty Himalayas pierce the sky. These towering peaks, the highest on Earth, form a natural barrier between the Indian subcontinent and the Tibetan plateau. Amongst these giants stands Mount Everest, known locally as Sagarmatha, a testament to the immense power of nature. Its slopes, perpetually cloaked in ice and snow, have challenged and inspired adventurers for centuries. But the Himalayas are more than just icy peaks. They are a source of life-giving rivers, a refuge for unique and endangered species like the snow leopard and the red panda, and a place of deep spiritual significance for millions. In the shadow of these majestic mountains, we find a profound sense of peace and tranquility, a reminder of the awe-inspiring power and beauty of the natural world. Leaving the soaring heights of the Himalayas, we journey south to the Thar Desert, a vast expanse of golden sand dunes. Shaped by scorching sun and relentless winds, the Thar might appear desolate at first glance, but beneath the harsh exterior lies a hidden world teeming with life. The Thar is also home to a rich cultural heritage and resilient people. We journey into the Sundarbans, a sprawling mangrove forest shared between India and Bangladesh. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a labyrinth of tidal waterways and mangrove islands. The Bay of Bengal mingles with freshwater rivers, creating a unique ecosystem. The Royal Bengal tiger reigns supreme in this watery realm. Masters of camouflage and stealth, these tigers are nature's design. From the lush greenery of the Sundarbans, we travel to the stark beauty of the Rann of Kutch. This vast, white salt desert stretches endlessly, shimmering under the scorching sun. Despite its harshness, it supports a surprising variety of life, including thousands of migratory birds. During winter, the Rann Utsav transforms this desolate landscape into a vibrant cultural spectacle. Leaving the arid plains of the Rann of Kutch behind, we journey south to the lush tropical state of Kerala. Here, a network of tranquil canals, lakes and lagoons form the famed backwaters. Traditional houseboats, known as ketuvallams, glide serenely along the canals. Life in the backwaters revolves around the water. Fishermen cast their nets, experiencing the tranquility and natural beauty that have captivated visitors for centuries. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas, we descend into a hidden valley, a sanctuary of vibrant life. This is the Valley of Flowers, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where nature puts on a breathtaking display of color. As the snow melts in late spring, the valley floor erupts in a tapestry of wildflowers. Anemones and poppies paint the meadows in hues of red and blue, while orchids and primulas add delicate touches of pink and yellow. The air hums with the buzz of pollinating insects, drawn to this floral feast. This explosion of life is short-lived, lasting only a few precious months. As the monsoon rains arrive, the valley transforms once more, its slopes cloaked in emerald green. But the memory of its ephemeral beauty lingers, a testament to the power of nature's artistry. Our journey now takes us south to the azure waters of the Bay of Bengal, where the Andaman and Nicobar Islands rise like emerald jewels from the sea. This archipelago, a haven of biodiversity, offers a glimpse into a world untouched by time. Beneath the waves, a kaleidoscope of marine life thrives amongst vibrant coral reefs. Schools of colorful fish dart through the coral gardens, while sea turtles glide gracefully through the crystal-clear water. Above the surface, pristine beaches stretch for miles, fringed by swaying palm trees. These islands are also home to a rich cultural tapestry. Indigenous tribes, some of the oldest surviving cultures on Earth, have lived in harmony with nature here for millennia. Their traditions and way of life offer a fascinating glimpse into a world far removed from our own. Deep within the northeastern state of Manipur lies a lake unlike any other. Loktak Lake, a shimmering expanse of water, is home to a truly remarkable phenomenon: floating islands known as fumdis. These unique ecosystems, formed from masses of vegetation, drift serenely across the lake's surface. Fishermen navigate the watery maze in their dugout canoes, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the lake. The fumdis provide fertile ground for agriculture, and their intricate network of channels teem with fish. But Loktak Lake is more than just a source of livelihood. It is a sanctuary for a wealth of biodiversity. Migratory birds, including the endangered Siberian crane, flock to the lake's shallow waters, seeking refuge in its floating islands. The Great Rann of Kutch, a vast, otherworldly landscape in Gujarat. This seemingly barren expanse of salt stretches as far as the eye can see. But this harsh environment is far from lifeless, a haven for a surprising variety of creatures, including the Indian wild ass. Once a year, the Rann explodes into a riot of color during the Rann Utsav festival. High in the Himalayas, nestled amongst the towering peaks, lie two extraordinary national parks: Nanda Devi and the Valley of Flowers. Nanda Devi is a sanctuary of dramatic glaciers, alpine meadows, and roaring rivers. Adjacent to Nanda Devi lies the Valley of Flowers, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This valley bursts into a riot of color every monsoon season, a paradise for nature enthusiasts and photographers alike. In the mighty Brahmaputra River, a unique ecosystem thrives. Majuli Island, the world's largest river island, is a testament to nature's forces and its enduring spirit. Formed by shifting currents, Majuli is an evolving landscape of sandbars, wetlands, and rice paddies. This fertile environment supports diverse life, from migratory birds to rare freshwater dolphins. It is also a cultural hub, home to a vibrant community steeped in tradition and artistry. Our journey through India's natural wonders takes us next to the central state of Chhattisgarh, a region adorned with verdant forests and cascading waterfalls. Here, amidst the biodiverse landscape, we find the breathtaking Chitrakoot Falls. Often referred to as the Niagara of India, Chitrakoot Falls presents a truly awe-inspiring spectacle. The Indravati River, after meandering through the dense woodland, plunges dramatically from a height of nearly 100 feet, creating a thunderous roar that reverberates through the surrounding valleys. The sheer volume of water cascading over the horseshoe-shaped precipice is a sight to behold. During the monsoon season, the falls swell to their full might, transforming the landscape into a display of raw, untamed beauty. It is no wonder that this natural wonder draws visitors from far and wide, captivated by its sheer power and magnificence. Deep within Meghalaya, shrouded in mist and ancient forests, lies a testament to the harmonious relationship between humanity and nature, the living root bridges. The ingenious Khasi people have guided the roots of the native Ficus elastica tree to form living, breathing bridges. These bridges are grown, painstakingly nurtured over decades. Some bridges span over 100 feet, evolving with each passing year. They stand as a testament to traditional ecological knowledge and human-nature symbiosis. Our exploration takes us to the border of Goa and Karnataka, where the Western Ghats rise majestically. Here, we encounter the Dudhsagar Falls, a waterfall of ethereal beauty. Dudhsagar, meaning Sea of Milk, aptly describes this visual spectacle. The Mandovi River transforms into a cascade of frothy white water. The falls are divided into 4 distinct tiers, creating a mesmerizing symphony. Chilika Lake, a sprawling lagoon on India's eastern coast, showcases nature's power and beauty. This immense water body is a haven for diverse bird life. Each winter, it becomes a crucial stopover for migratory birds. Flamingos from Siberia seek refuge in its shallows. It's also a breeding ground for the endangered Irrawaddy dolphin. The Narmada River, a sacred waterway in central India, flows through a landscape sculpted over millennia. At Bedakat, the river carves through towering cliffs of pristine white marble. These marble rocks shimmer and gleam under the Indian sun. As the sunlight dances across the water, the marble cliffs reflect a spectrum of colors. High in the western Ghats of Maharashtra lies a plateau transformed by the monsoon. Khas Plateau bursts into bloom with wildflowers, earning it the nickname Valley of Flowers of Maharashtra. Carpets of yellow, purple, pink and white stretch as far as the eye can see. Butterflies and bees buzz among the blooms. The bloom fades, leaving behind a green landscape. We travel to the eastern coast of India, where land and water intertwine. The Sundarbans, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the world's largest mangrove forest. Here, the Ganges River meets the sea, creating a labyrinth of waterways and dense mangrove forests. This unique ecosystem is a haven for life, from mudskippers to the Royal Bengal tiger. The mangroves are marvels of adaptation, anchoring in shifting sediments. This world is sculpted by tides, a testament to life's resilience. Our journey now takes us high into the Himalayas, where the peaks pierce the sky. The Rohtang Pass, at over 12,000 feet, marks a dramatic transition between the lush Kulu valleys and the arid desert of Lahaul and Spiti. Today, it attracts adventure enthusiasts, drawn by breathtaking views and the thrill of the landscape. As we ascend, the vegetation gives way to barren scree slopes and towering peaks. From the summit, the world stretches out in a panorama of snow-capped peaks, glaciers, and deep valleys. Deep within the western Ghats of Kerala lies a hidden world, a sanctuary of biodiversity. Silent Valley National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to conservation. This pristine rainforest is a symphony of life, a cacophony of bird calls and rustling leaves. Amidst the dense undergrowth and towering trees live an astonishing array of creatures. Elephants roam freely, their paths crossing those of tigers, leopards, and sloth bears. Silent Valley is a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. Here, in the vast expanse of the Andaman Sea, lies a testament to the Earth's raw, power-barren island. This uninhabited island, shrouded in a veil of smoke and ash, is India's only active volcano. The island's desolate landscape, a stark contrast to the lush greenery of the surrounding archipelago, is a testament to the volcano's fiery temperament. Its slopes, sculpted by centuries of eruptions, are a mix of hardened lava flows and volcanic ash. Though seemingly inhospitable, Barren Island teems with life beneath the waves. The volcanic activity has created a unique ecosystem, attracting a surprising array of marine life, from manta rays to reef sharks. This underwater haven stands in stark contrast to the island's fiery heart, a reminder of nature's ability to thrive even in the most extreme environments. High in the Himalayas lies the Valley of Flowers National Park. Each summer, it explodes into a riot of color, a vibrant tapestry woven by wildflowers. Poppies, primulas, and anemones paint the landscape, their blooms swaying in the mountain breeze. This floral extravaganza attracts bees and butterflies. The valley's beauty belies its harsh conditions. At over 11,000 feet, the air is thin, the winters long and unforgiving. Yet life persists, each spring a testament to nature's resilience. This fragile ecosystem reminds us to preserve our natural world. In the heart of Manipur lies Loktak Lake, a serene expanse of water unlike any other. What sets this lake apart is its unique inhabitants. The Fumdis. These floating islands, a mix of vegetation, soil, and organic matter, dot the lake's surface. The Fumdis drift across the lake, propelled by wind and water currents. Fishermen navigate these pathways, their lives intertwined with the lake. The mighty Brahmaputra River, originating in the Tibetan Himalayas, flows through the heart of Assam, shaping the landscape as it goes. Here, it forms a sanctuary unlike any other, a haven for both humanity and nature. Majuli Island. This remarkable place, the largest river island in the world, is a testament to the power of nature's ebb and flow. Each year, the Brahmaputra's floods reshape Majuli's shores, yet the spirit of the island and its people remains unyielding. The island's fertile lands have long been a cradle for a rich tapestry of cultural traditions. Here, ancient customs and art forms are passed down through generations, preserving a way of life deeply intertwined with the natural world.